I'm here in the city of Silay, and I've been judging the art competition, several categories like the Belen making competition, Christmas tree competition, and also the tricycle and tricycle lighting competition. So around here in the city of Silay is well lighted with Christmas lights all over. So it's very festive right here, right now, because it's Christmas time already. PASKWA na sa Silay. So there they have their Christmas tree, and it's all fun and festive here. Merry Christmas, Silay! So there are many categories here, like the Parade of Lights and the tricycle lighted tricycle competition, and also there were the competition for parole. Festivities in Negros Island is not complete without the chicken inasal. So chicken inasal al fresco. We call it chicken barbecue or sugba-sugba. All right. Pork barbecue, innards, intestines, gizzards, liver, and all sorts of chicken menu, and being barbecued right there with a special sauce. This is Jonah Mark from the city of Silay. Let's eat chicken barbecue, chicken inasal, only here in Silay. Bye for now.